To fix missing archived stories on Instagram, start by checking your internet connection in just a few easy steps. A poor connection can prevent your archived stories from loading. Once your connection is stable, open the Instagram app, go to your profile, and tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Archive, and if you're only seeing Post Archive, switch to the Stories archive using the drop-down menu at the top. Next, check your archive settings. In the Archive menu, tap the three dots in the top right, go to Settings, and look for the Save Story to Archive option. If it's turned off, switch it on. If it's already on, toggle it off, wait 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. If you're using an Android device, clearing the app cache can help. Go to your device's settings, find Apps, select Instagram, then go to Storage, and clear the cache. Another option is to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app, which can fix any corrupted files or bugs while keeping your account info intact. Sometimes a simple restart of your phone can solve temporary glitches. Also, make sure you're using the latest version of Instagram by checking for updates in your app store. If none of these steps work, you can report the problem directly to Instagram through the app's help section. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with missing archived stories on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.